Stop! Before you throw away those grape seeds from your morning snack, have you ever wondered if you could actually turn them into a lush, fruit-bearing vine in your own backyard? It sounds like the ultimate gardening hack, right? But the truth about growing grapes from seeds is something most nurseries won't tell you. Today on Garden Mentor, we're pulling back the curtain on the grape growing industry. I'm going to show you exactly how to germinate these seeds, but more importantly, I'll reveal why the surprising truth might change the way you garden forever. Whether you're a beginner or a seasoned pro, stick around because we're about to find out if seed-grown grapes are a dream or a potential disaster. The genetic lottery. To understand why growing grapes from seeds is so unique, we first have to talk about genetics. Grapes are what we call heterozygous. This means the seeds don't carry the exact DNA of the parent fruit. If you plant a seed from a sweet, seedless green grape, the vine that grows might produce sour, purple grapes with thick skins. It's a total genetic lottery. This is the main reason why commercial farmers use cuttings or grafting instead. However, for a home gardener, this is where the magic happens. You could discover a brand new variety that no one else has. Selecting the right seeds. Not every seed you find in a grape is ready to grow. If you're buying grapes from the store, look for organic varieties, as some treated grapes might have sterile seeds. When you cut open the grape, look for firm, plump, and dark brown seeds. Avoid any that look hollow or pale green. A quick trick is the float test. Drop your seeds in a bowl of water. The ones that sink are generally healthy and viable, while the ones that float are likely duds and won't germinate. Cleaning and pre-treatment. Once you've selected your winners, you can't just stick them in the dirt. Grape seeds are covered in a sugary pulp that contains germination inhibitors, nature's way of making sure they don't sprout at the wrong time. You need to wash them thoroughly in lukewarm water. I recommend using a small sieve and gently rubbing them to ensure every bit of fruit residue is gone. This step is crucial because any leftover pulp can lead to mold and rot during the next phase. The stratification process. In nature, grape seeds fall to the ground in autumn and sit through a cold winter before sprouting in spring. We need to mimic this through a process called stratification. Take a paper towel, dampen it slightly, not soaking wet, and fold your clean seeds inside. Place this into a Ziploc bag. This cold period tells the seed that winter has happened and it's finally safe to wake up. Without this step, your seeds might stay dormant forever. The refrigerator phase. Now, place that bag in the vegetable crisper of your refrigerator. You need to leave them there for at least 60 to 90 days. It requires a lot of patience. During this time, check the bag once a week. If the paper towel looks dry, add a few drops of water. If you see any signs of mold, carefully take the seeds out, rinse them with a very diluted bleach solution, and put them in a fresh, clean, damp towel. This phase is all about maintaining the perfect balance of cold and moisture. Planting day. After 3 months of winter in your fridge, it's finally time for spring. Prepare small pots with a high-quality, sterile seed starting mix. Avoid heavy garden soil at this stage as it can be too dense for delicate new roots. Plant each seed about ½ an inch deep. Give them a gentle watering and place the pots in a warm spot, ideally around 70 degrees Fahrenheit or 20 degrees Celsius. You can use a heat mat if your house is chilly, as warmth is the signal that tells the seeds to finally burst open. Watching for sprouts. Now comes the second test of patience. Grape seeds can take anywhere from 2 weeks to 2 months to sprout. Don't give up. Keep the soil consistently moist but never soggy. Once you see those first 2 heart-shaped leaves, called the cotyledons, emerge, move them to a very bright window or under grow lights. These little seedlings need at least 12 to 14 hours of light a day to grow strong stems and avoid becoming leggy or weak. Transplanting the seedlings. When your seedlings reach about 3 to 4 inches in height and have developed their first set of true leaves, the ones that actually look like grape leaves, they are ready for a bigger home. Move them into 1-gallon pots. This is a great time to start using a very diluted, balanced liquid fertilizer to support their growth. Be very careful with the roots during this move. Grape roots are sensitive and don't like to be disturbed too much.